Guys, this crash test is gonna be crazy, but before we start with this crash test, I'd like to do a little giveaway. In this time you can win the product in this huge box. I will show you guys. I bought just for this giveaway this RC helicopter, and you can win that now in this video. Your support is amazing these days, and yes, that's why I give you this RC helicopter. Now I say what you have to do. First step is like this video, then subscribe Wirte test and make sure that the notifications are on. Next step is like me on Instagram and on Facebook, and the last point is write a comment with the words pick me. This giveaway will run until exactly 1 month, and then I will publish the winner on Instagram. Also, this giveaway is international, so you can enter this giveaway from all over the world. I don't care where you're from. And yes guys, now good luck to all, and now we are going to go on with this extreme rocket crash test with the Hovercraft. And yes, let's go.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
Now guys, I'm back as yesterday. I'm not placed. Now I placed it. Now I'm going to try.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
as you can see, guys, the RC Hovercraft is still working. And the rockets are here into the sea. I don't know where they are, but as you can see, the hovercraft is still working. Very nice. And I think some of you will be happy if they get this RC Hovercraft, so you can win not just the RC helicopter, also the RC Hovercraft. And yes, guys, that was my crash test of this RC Hovercraft. Hit that like button if you like more of this rocket crash tests, and thumbs up for new crash tests, and peace.